So, and also too, at the lights, I think after that thing happened there, you just dropped your hands off the wheel. You only had the one hand at the top of the steering wheel. Yeah. So make sure you
I didn't even notice I did that.
It's probably a habit. So make sure you keep both hands on the wheel at the intersections. So that's that. And then okay, so here we go. You needed an 80 to pass. I started you off with 100 points. And so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You got a 90 if it wasn't for this, the intersection thing. Okay? So yeah, man, you're doing good. You're doing really good. Most people fail because they've done something illegal. Not because they make mistakes. So everybody makes a mistake. A couple mistakes here and there. So it's not a big deal to make. Well, it's illegal to block the intersection, so that would have been a fail.
Yeah.
So that's good. Just keep that in mind here. Clear the intersection. I'm just writing notes down because you've taken this home with you, so you can have a closer look at all these things here when you go home. Late right signal for your backing. So basically when you're approaching your space, too. Yeah, you put it on.
I put it on as soon as I hit the thing, and I was like, I should have put it on as soon as I was going to do it.
Yeah, when you're still in the laneway and driving in the laneway, go ahead and put that on and make sure you check the rear view mirror. Okay, so that's about yeah, they don't even have a section for that, so let's say you forget the signal, they're probably not even going to ding you for that. Okay, 4:38. I think we got time for this. Let's do we're gonna switch. I'm gonna take the road test, and I'm gonna do a running commentary for you. Explain everything I'm doing along the way, and you observe.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I'm fully okay with that.